Hi Jean, sorry this has taken a while. I think I explained my circumstances. So I've modelled your room using the dimensions you've given me. This is a very crude model of the Sheila made using the dimensions you gave me, 1830 millimetres wide, and I've made it nominally 450 front to back. I did look at putting, so these are 300 millimetre deep shelves in here, left and right. I did look at 400 millimetre deep, but it was just too tight. It would have clashed with the Sheila made unless it was absolutely dead central. So that gives you theoretically 100 millimetres of wriggle room between the end of the Sheila made and the Elfa shelves. That is a crude model of your dryer, height 1348, and that is a standard washing machine. So that's my first pass. There is approximately 80 millimetres spare left and right. You could find a way of using that gap by cutting down 900 millimetre shelves and having those go right out to the edges. That would add something like 30% to the costs I'm going to give you. The other alternative is, rather than use Elfa wire shelves, you use solid melamine shelves on Elfa metalwork. Not really sure how much that would add. Probably about £200, but it's, you know, in a laundry setting, the wire shelves seem to work well for most people. It's just whether or not you want them extended fully out to the ends. There is a way of doing that. It's going to add a little bit of cost. Okay, I hope that is useful. let's give it one last spin round. This is a good place to start a conversation. Okay.